Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Eh yo，这是有病！
我操！
怎么了？
哦，对面这是。
我。
不知道为什么开到最想吃的。
干嘛？
Fuck boy!
He's a pretty genuine old bastard.
He is pretty for a retail guy. He's
Yeah.
pretty genuine. Wow!
What is it today? What is it? What am I doing wrong today?
What the fuck's going on here? What are you fucking doing? Fuck me drunk.
And he mentioned his GMO.
Fucking idiot.
Against 4 boys, aged 14 and 15 between 21 and 83, namely 19 counts of disease.
Fuck me.
A view that we can win this, as long as we provide a clear alternative.
Sounds in a
work
fucking
as a
hurry.
team, we will get there, we can win this. The Defence Force won't be...
Oh shit. Fucking idiot. What are you doing? Oh, these fucking idiots.
Positive position. Absolutely. Mining is a substantial contributor to the economic growth, and the royalties off the back of that in Queensland.
Look at these winners.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn slightly left to stay on R1.
Oh, nice! Nice one, fuckhead!
In 600 metres, continue.
When she's around. Look at this, fucking he's gonna run a red light. Yep. You motherfucker.
Yes. Such a dipper.
What's the fucking stop here on red little signal? It's not that fucking hard. One fucking job. Straight through a fucking red. Straight through a red one. Fuck. Oh, you motherfucker. That fucking bitch there. All these fucking people that just ran.
Shouting your first 2 months access when you sign up to an eligible $40 SIM plan. It includes 40 gig of data, unlimited standard national talk and text, and you can add Optus support. Switch it at Optus Store today. Minimum 12 months, $400.
Tell you what, shitbag titty fucker of the week.
Unfucking believable. Get out. Fuck off.
Yeah, you're not supposed to lane filter, mate. L platers are illegal to lane filter. That's going on Scott's dash cams.
Oh my god. You damn cunt. Why don't you fucking pull out in front of me? Fucking cunt.
Round is worth 11 minutes, isn't it? Walk down and up that driveway.
That's pretty, Gee. Fucking light, right? Follow the fucking rules.
Melodramatic, it's this amazing kind of meta thing. Anyway, 2 reviews. Rolling Stone totally got what we were doing. The New York Times television critic.
I thought it was an old lady driving. Oh, what happened there? Oh, that was nearly Bingles, eh?
Alpha Bravo 76 Bravo Sierra. Bullshit!
Valley Kent, corner of Jenkins and Semaphore Road. Cedar Woods, developing tomorrow, today.
It's time to wake up to sleep. Right now at 40 Winks, get any size mattress for the price of a single.
Start with more of it in your home with better wardrobe. With over 45
idiot!
custom designed wardrobes, cabinets and shower screens.
Straight through a red light. Ah, look at this guy. Ah, dearie me.
Now look at this dickhead. He's going to end up on YouTube. He's sitting in the right-hand lane here. Well, he's about to go and hit the rail. He has no idea that he's got to keep left unless overtaking, and now he's going to manage to move up. Now we've got another holding ute coming up who's going to get the shits, but he's just going to sit there. Look at that.